Musamseleku, the way he treat Makumalo and the way he treat other wives, the four of them, is different. Musamseleku, when he is discussing with Mayeni and Mangwawe, he can calm down. Even Mangwawe and Mayeni are angry to him, they are shouting to him. Musamseleku doesn't respond in a harsh like Makumalo. But when he is discussing with Makumalo, Musamseleku want to be harsh and he says he will never stop fighting Makumalo. It's not good because when it comes to Mayeni, Mangwawe, Makwela, and Macele, he had nothing to lose. They have got kids with him. Makumalo doesn't have a child with Musamseleku. The person who have got Musamseleku's child is Makumalo, because Makumalo is staying with Mpilo. That's Musamseleku was fighting that Mpilo is supposed to be on Musamseleku's side. Musamseleku asked forgiveness to Makumalo. He said sorry on diaries. But Musamseleku doesn't say sorry with his heart because he wants those things to pass. Because Makumalo asked Musamseleku, they have got 6 months, 7 months. Musamseleku didn't ask forgiveness. You remember he came on social media and said, we are good with Makumalo, because it was trending on social media. Musamseleku, what he said to Makumalo, that Makumalo failed what she's supposed to do. Makumalo said Musamseleku never came to her. He was on social media, he had a video. Musamseleku was responding to people. After that, Musamseleku didn't come to Makumalo to ask forgiveness because those things was trending on social media. Musamseleku was supposed to come to ask forgiveness to fix things with Makumalo. But he want to ask Makumalo forgiveness on diaries, on Uncut, Utano Nestembo Uncut. It was not good. So that's why Makumalo didn't say I forgive you or what. But Musamseleku, when it comes to mine, because he said if you forgive me or you not forgive me, as long I say sorry. Imagine your husband says, as long I say sorry, you forgive me, you don't forgive me, I don't care. That's Musamseleku said to Makumalo. But when it comes to Mayeni and Mangwawe, he can force himself. Musamseleku said to Mangwawe, he visited Mangwawe. Mangwawe said, what are you doing here? Musamseleku said, this is my house. I can come whatever time I came. If you don't want me, I'll sleep here. He can force himself to Mangwawe and Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, she is like a useless person. How people will learn about a woman who doesn't have a child? Imagine, guys. So Makumalo have to stop crying for Musamseleku, because when she is continuing crying, that's why Musamseleku thinks she is desperate. Now on season 10, we know that they start shooting season 10. Please, Makumalo, don't be in tears in front of Musamseleku. We don't want to see your tears. We don't want to see Makumalo's tears. Look at Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't cry in front of Musamseleku. Mayeni can cry, maybe she is alone, but in front of Musamseleku, Mayeni doesn't be on tears. That's why Musamseleku thinks that Makumalo is desperate. The way Makumalo was respecting Musamseleku, what people were starting judging Makumalo. Makumalo changed because of money. No, Makumalo is not changed because of money. Yes, Makumalo changed now because she have got her own security, and Makumalo was timing. All the time she was quiet, Makumalo, the way Musamseleku was treating her with his wives. Because even Macele can say whatever she want to say about Makumalo. Mayeni can say whatever she want to say about Makumalo. Musamseleku never fight for Makumalo. You understand? Why Mayeni is keeping blaming Makumalo until now, like Makumalo was the one who maybe she came as a helper and sleep with and force herself to Musamseleku. Musamseleku doesn't tell them the truth. You understand? Doesn't fight for Makumalo. That's why you saw Macele and Mayeni, they are always blaming Makumalo. They don't blame Mangwawe because Musamseleku fight for Mangwawe to be in that marriage. But their marriage with Makumalo is not real. It's like maybe Makumalo was the one who bring herself in that marriage